One stop, 10. Exercise, move. Ash! 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 Tomorrow doing feeling better. Look forward, look forward. Men, one man has to love. One man has to love Uganda. Men has to love.
Politics is a commitment to serve your people. Just sacrifice for these children. Who knows, when I have retired in Kamwenge, maybe these men will be ministers and will take care of my grandchildren. I have 8 grandchildren. These children maybe will take care of them. That's what we should be looking at as patriots. Don't ask yourself, Mfunirawa. We joined Makerere University when we were 17. But how many came back and said to call me? Kisembo. Where does he expect me to be? He expects me to be in Kyankwanzi. But if he says Orinkai, he has information that I'm not doing what I'm supposed to do. Museveni has not sent me here. But I saw a message which he gave me to train 600 youth. Those who are supposed to go to the university. 600. Then it came in my mind. How many are going to take advantage of coming to Kyankwanzi to train? Can you get these 400 children and you take them to Kamwenge? What is the cost? Very high. Who is going to sponsor them? I am a trainer. I am a teacher. Why don't I bring my team here? I gave them fuel. These are patriots. They don't ask me, Mpapa DM, now agenda, go to the headmaster, let him give you a room, sleep there. Don't go to sleep in Kamwenge because it's a cost. Those are the patriots we want to sacrifice. It's not about money, how much you are earning, how much you are getting.